This is the navigation satellite project, which is inspired from India's IRNSS satellite as well as the GPS satellite. So here we are going to demonstrate the working of this particular satellite. For that, we need to turn back where we have all the payloads and the electronics. So once we switch it on, we see the time as well as the date information. So here we are using the atomic clock like the GPS satellites does. So here it is powered by rubidium atomic clock, which is showing the time up to centiseconds. And to test this, we need an app, so which works like a receiver. So imagine that this is a mobile device which is asking for the location information, and we need to open the app. And here you can see the time is running on the mobile device, and also there is a time running on the satellite. So we need to send the request, and once you send the request, you can see once the request is received by the satellite, the time stops on both the devices. So the timestamp can be noted on the mobile device as well as the satellite, and by calculating the difference in time, we can find the distance of the receiver. And all the readings can be taken in the workbook. So in the workbook, we'll note down the signal sent time, and we note down the signal received time, and we calculate the difference in time to calculate the distance of the satellite or the receiver by just using the simple formula.